Hi, to insert SIM card in your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, as a first step we need to open the SIM slot, which is located on the bottom of the phone right here. And to actually open it, I would need to take this tool, which is called ejector, and it goes in a compact with a device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere, or instead of this one, you can use a needle. But be really careful because you may damage the slot. Now what I want you to do is to place this ejector pin in this little hole. Don't confuse it with this one. So place it right here, then press. So the slot will pop up like that. And now you can take it out using your nails. So now let's take a look at this slot. Here we should see the space for the first SIM card and for the second SIM card. So take your SIM card and also note that here it got this rounded corner. This same we got in the slot. So make sure that those corners match like that. And it doesn't matter where you place your SIM card. So just make sure those corners matches. Press it on the slot so it would be secured and won't fall out. And now simply put it back in the phone and close the tray completely. Now we would need to make sure that those signal bars appears in the status bar, meaning that it detects our network. Also, you can check this if you go in settings. Here choose mobile networks, and now you should see information about your first or second SIM card. You can also tap it, here edit name, number, and so on. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.